Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best floating raft is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable pieces of equipment you can add to your summer fun arsenal, offering a unique way to relax and play on the water, whether you're lounging by the pool, exploring a calm lake, or simply seeking a comfortable spot to soak up the sun. Imagine drifting effortlessly, with the gentle sway of the water beneath you, providing a serene escape from the everyday hustle and bustle, making it an indispensable item for anyone who loves spending time outdoors and embracing the aquatic lifestyle. Number 5. Intex Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak Set. This kayak is lightweight and compact, making it easy to assemble and transport. With its special valve, it inflates and deflates in just minutes, so you can take the fun wherever you go. It's perfect for experiencing lakes and mild rivers with a friend. Its sporty design ensures easy paddling, and the bright color makes it highly visible on the water. Built for performance, this kayak offers excellent stability and comfort. The inflatable floor, low-profile deck, and side chambers provide a secure and enjoyable ride. This kayak is designed for 2 people and can hold up to 400 pounds. It offers ample space and support for a comfortable journey on the water. Everything you need is included: 2 paddles, 2 inflatable seats with backrests, grab handles, quick fill valves, a high-output pump, and a repair patch for peace of mind. What we like? If you're looking for a kayak that's easy to take anywhere, this is it. Its lightweight and compact design, coupled with quick inflation and deflation, makes transport a breeze. The sporty, streamlined design is perfect for experiencing lakes and mild rivers with a friend. You should consider this if you value convenience and enjoy paddling adventures on calmer waters. What people say. The raft is made of durable material that has held up well against sun and use. It inflates quickly and easily with a standard pump, and deflates just as fast for storage. The design includes comfortable backrests and cup holders, making it great for relaxing on the water. Number 4. Bestway CoolerZ Tropical Breeze Party Island. Introducing the Tropical Breeze Party Island, the perfect way to enjoy a day on the water with up to 6 people. It's designed for maximum fun and relaxation. This large inflatable lounger comfortably accommodates up to 6 adults, with a weight capacity of 1,320 pounds. It's built with heavy-duty Inflata-Shield material for exceptional durability and stability. Relax in style with built-in pillow rests that double as comfy chairs. Strong handles and grab ropes make it easy to move around on the water. Beat the heat with the detachable sunshade, offering protection on sunny days. The mesh floor allows you to dip your feet in the water and stay refreshed. This giant lake float comes with everything you need for a perfect day. Enjoy 6 cup holders and a portable cooler bag to keep your drinks chilled. Gather your friends and family for an unforgettable experience. It's the ultimate accessory for beach parties and lake adventures. What we like? This is the ultimate party float for groups. Its large capacity and heavy-duty construction mean it's built for fun with up to 6 people. The detachable sunshade provides welcome relief on hot days, and the mesh floor lets you dip your feet in the water. If you love hosting gatherings on the water and want a comfortable, durable option for a crowd, this is your choice. What people say. The raft is made of durable material that has held up well to sun and use. It inflates quickly and is easy to deflate and store. The design is comfortable and provides good support for lounging. Number 3. TRC Recreation Splash Foam Pool Float. Experience ultimate relaxation with this premium foam float. Its superior buoyancy and durable construction ensure all-day comfort by the pool. Relax in style thanks to the integrated roll pillow. It cradles your head and neck, providing extra comfort for a great floating experience. Enjoy simple cleanup with the easy-to-clean waterproof coating. For longer life, store it flat and dry, and clean thoroughly with soap and water. Whether by the pool, lake, or beach, this spacious float offers plenty of room for solo relaxation. Enjoy its multi-purpose design. TRC Recreation is a leading innovator in water recreational products. Trust in our exceptional quality for your outdoor enjoyment. What we like? For unparalleled individual relaxation, this lounger is a top pick. Its thick, vinyl-coated foam offers superior comfort and buoyancy, while the built-in pillow provides excellent head support. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the waterproof coating. If you desire a simple, comfortable, and durable way to lounge solo by the pool or lake, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The raft is surprisingly sturdy and holds its shape well even with multiple people on it. The built-in cup holders are a nice touch and keep drinks from spilling. Inflation and deflation are quick and easy, making it convenient to transport and store. Number 2. Intex Blue Tropic 5-Person Raft. Escape the heat and unwind in style on this spacious inflatable island. It's perfect for lounging in the lake or pool on a sunny day. This float comfortably accommodates up to 5 people. Enjoy ultimate relaxation with 3 built-in backrests for everyone. Never be without your favorite beverages. It features 4 convenient cup holders and a built-in cooler to keep your drinks chilled and within reach. The mesh netting on the floor keeps you cool while you float. 4 durable handles make it easy to climb aboard and enjoy your water adventures. Get ready for fun in no time with quick inflation. Deflating is just as easy, making storage and transport a breeze for all your outings. What we like. This inflatable island is designed for maximum group comfort and convenience. With multiple backrests, a built-in cooler, and a mesh floor, it's perfect for extended chilling sessions. It accommodates up to 5 people, making it ideal for families or friends wanting to relax together. If you prioritize comfort, convenience, and keeping refreshments close by while floating, this is the float for you. What people say. This raft is incredibly durable and has held up perfectly even with daily use. The design is very user-friendly, making it easy to inflate and deflate quickly. Its large size comfortably accommodates multiple people, perfect for family outings. Number 1. Aqua Lily Pad Original Floating Water Mat. Introducing the ultimate floating water mat, designed for endless fun on lakes, pools, and calm waters. It's your perfect shared space for relaxing and enjoying the outdoors. Crafted with advanced cross-linked polyethylene foam and a unique 2-layer pad structure featuring FlexCore technology. This ensures consistent performance and durability for years to come. Getting started is as simple as unrolling it on the water. When it's time to pack up, the included storage straps and tether system make it a breeze. With ample space measuring 180 inches long and 72 inches wide, it comfortably supports 7 to 8 adults or up to 1,200 pounds. Plenty of room for everyone to gather and enjoy. Experience superior stability with its design that stays flat and balanced on the water. Move, relax, and gather with confidence, unlike thinner mats. Proudly made in the USA, this mat is built for quality and performance. Enjoy your time on the water with a product you can trust. What we like. This is a robust and spacious floating mat designed for shared enjoyment. Its unique FlexCore technology ensures it stays flat and balanced on the water, providing a stable surface for many people. With a high weight capacity, it's perfect for larger groups looking to relax and socialize. If you need a reliable, large floating platform for group activities and want a product made in the USA, this is an excellent option. What people say. The raft is made of durable material that holds up well to sun and water exposure. It features a comfortable design with ample space for multiple people to relax. The raft inflates quickly and is easy to deflate and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.